that, joining us right now to talk more about the airline industry and where all of this is headed is Joseph DeNardi. He's managing director at Stifel. Good morning to you. We've all been talking about the length and duration of what this crisis of sorts looks like. And then the big question is when you think people get back on planes and in what kind of volume. How do you even begin to measure that as an investor?
Yeah, it's very challenging, and I think that's the primary overhang on airlines and cruise lines and probably the whole travel sector right now, along with what the terms of the financial assistance from the government are going to be. So the way that we're currently estimating is that there's very little demand, essentially no demand over the next few months to travel, and then starts to return towards the end of the summer, and then gradually gets back to some sort of normal environment by the middle to late part of next year.
By the middle to late part of next year, of 2021.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of the fleet decisions that airlines are implementing now to reduce CapEx and conserve cash are going to pretty materially lower the capacity that they're going to be able to fly into next year, even when they return to normal. And so that's going to create, that's going to have an effect on demand as well.
Joe, we have a banner on the screen right now. I don't know if you can see it. It says airline bailout, stocks investable again. Do you think this bailout is the only bailout?
That all depends. I mean,
these airlines are going to need.
Yeah, the need for financial assistance from the government varies airline to airline, and then it varies based on the duration of this. And so if demand starts to return within a couple of months, most airlines may not need any financial assistance. If it goes on for 12 months, they're probably all going to need some form of assistance. And then it comes down to labor and how many employees the government wants to keep employed. So, right. I think investing in airlines is difficult right now unless you can feel comfortable that demand's going to return in the near term.